Hello students, my name is Sumit Mehta. So in today's lecture we will discuss some questions based on scalar product. Okay, so let me write down the question number 1. So student, here is the question number 1 given to us, in which it stated as find the angle between the two vectors A and B whose magnitudes are A having magnitude of 1 and B having magnitude of 2, and we need to find out the angle between these two vectors, and we are also given A dot B is 1. So I am applying the formula of A dot B is vector mod of A mod of B into cosine of angle between these two vectors. So this is 1 is equals to 1 into 2. I am putting the value of mod A and mod B here into cos theta. So from here I am getting cos theta as half. So theta is cos inverse half, which is 60 degree. Okay, so this is the angle between these two vectors. Okay, this is how we can find out the angle between these two vectors. Now let's move to another question. So students, here is the question number 2, which states that find the angle theta between the vectors A and B, and where A and B are given as, so A is given to us as I cap plus j cap minus k cap, and B vector is given to us as I cap minus j cap plus k cap. So first I will find out mod of A vector, which is 1 square plus 1 square plus 1 square, which is root of 3. This is minus 1 square, okay, which is also the same. And mod B is also the same, 1 square plus minus 1 square plus 1 square, which is also root 3. So as we have find out the mod, okay, and we need to find out the angle between these two vectors. So if I write it down as, and this is also equals to root 3 into cosine of theta. So if you multiply this I with I is 1, j with minus j is minus 1, and k with minus k is minus 1. So this is 3 cos theta, which is minus 1 is equals to 3 cos theta, and cos theta is minus 1 by 3. So theta is cos inverse minus 1 by 3. So this is the angle between these two vectors. So students, because I dot in I is 1, because when you take, let's say this is I vector having magnitude 1 and direction of x-axis, and if you multiply this vector with another same vector, so the dot product will get 1. Okay, so this is the answer. I hope students now you are pretty clear about this question. Now let's move to question number 3. So students, here is the question number 3, which states that if A is a unit vector and x minus A dot x plus A is given as 8, then we need to find out the mod of x. So we are also given A is a unit vector, means mod of A is 1. Okay, so x minus A dot x plus A is given as 8. So I can apply the property x dot x plus x dot A minus A dot x minus A dot A, which is given as 8. So this is basically x square, and this got cancelled out, and this is A square equal to 8. So this is 8 plus 1, because mod of A is given as 1, so mod x comes out to be 3, as its magnitude cannot be negative. Can't be negative. So mod of x will become 3. So now I hope students we have covered all types of examples on scalar product, and in the next lecture we will discuss about the cross product of vectors. So stay tuned for that lecture students. Thank you. Happy learning.